Hi, my name is Sheldon.
And I'm Erin Marie.
And this is Issalook. Hey! So today we're doing a special video that is sponsored by Kingdom Beauty Supplies. And they just gave me a Hot Tools curling iron, which is 1 1/4 inch. And it is 24 gold. And pulse technology gets hot, stays hot. And it is great because it is 430 degrees, and I'm going to be testing it out to see if it can curl for 3 to 5 seconds. So Erin's texture here is frizzy and wavy hair. Give her a spin. And she's also textured and colored. So I'm going to be reviewing this curling wand product, and hopefully it's 3 to 5 seconds and the curls are going to stay. So let's review. So I'll be sectioning off her hair first, and I'll be starting with the back. Let's take bigger sections, you know. Let's really test this product out. Let's do 330 degrees. I like to use 330 degrees because with colored hair, you don't want that color to fade really fast, especially like with blondes and silvers. But she's a little bit darker tone, but still, you know, let's just be safe. So let's really test this out. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that. Look at that curl. Wow. Okay, let's do 5 seconds on that other strand. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, what a what a difference! So 3 seconds and a 5-second curl. You can just be like, oh yeah, this one's a lazy one, but still, hey, it curls. Wow. And the 5-second one is like, wow, you really put effort in there. But wow, this is really good. And then let's just speed this one up. To the very end, and Kingdom Beauty Supplies have sponsored us to do this special giveaway. We are going to be giving away a curling iron, and we're feeling hella generous. So we're giving out a vanilla shampoo and mask. Here are the conditions, guys. You gotta subscribe,
Of course.
hit that subscribe button, hit that bell if you want, but subscribe. We'll be putting down a link of the Instagram post. You gotta like that and follow Kingdom Beauty Supplies and Issalook Instagram page. And we'll be putting out the release date and we'll announce the winner soon. So please like, share, and subscribe. Hey, Issalook. Hey.
Yay. If you want to win these things, do all the things she said. Listen to her.
You. You. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I see a piece of white hair, girl.
I'm stressed.
I'm stressed. Oh shit, there's two in the same area. Oh,
I'm aging.
okay.
Pull it.
Should I pull it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Show it to the camera.
Oh, it's not even white. It's like orangey.
Oh.
What?
What?
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, just do it.
1, 2, 3.
Let me see. Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's like it's like orange, and then it goes white at the very
And
end.
ew.